Happy 25th of October 2024 from Erstaviksbadet, this magical place on the Baltic Sea in Nacka municipality. I am all alone here on this wonderful sunny Friday on this huge sandy beach in the Erstaviks nature reserve, and it looks really stunning indeed. So despite being super sunny and nice, it is only 11 degrees Celsius in the air, so quite chilly with slight wind that we have, but still the sun makes it all perfect and great. And here you can see also my Scott gravel bike that got me here, 16.5 kilometers in a nice beautiful road, both asphalt, and then the last part, the last 5 kilometers being off-road. So it is time for yet another beach adventure with Chris, and I really love coming here to Erstaviksbadet to show you how beautiful this place is. And this is my happy place because it is on the sea, and I just love taking a swim in the sea. I would have never imagined that I would be doing this on 25th of October, but here we go, here we are. Last time when I was here it was, I think, 13 Celsius in the air and 14 in the sea. Now we're gonna find out the temperature in the water very soon. But this is beach number 183 on My Sweden Beach Adventures, and what a wonderful day it is. Perfect for beach adventures here. So let's first measure the temperature before we take a swim here. Let's see how cold it is in the water. It looks chilly at first, but we're gonna be sure checking it out exactly how cold or warm is it. This is how I measure. I really need to get a new water thermometer. I never get a chance to go to the store where they have it. It's not close by where I live. I need to go to a larger store in one shopping center, but I will do that. It is 11 degrees Celsius in the sea, so the same as in the air currently, the same temperature indeed. So it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be fun indeed. Luckily I have my towel already here and my clothes when I get out. But yes, Erstavik, another beach adventure from the beautiful Erstaviksbadet. It looks magnificent indeed. Perfect piece of nature. Beautiful. Let's then get going and take a swim here in this beautiful sea. It is very cold. I feel it in my legs now. To be fair, on one of the lakes I visited earlier this week it was 10 degrees, so this is slightly warmer than that. And this is actually the beginning of the Baltic Sea, or actually the end. And it's in kind of a bay, and the temperature varies, I suppose, when there are winds or if it stays still overnight, because further in the Baltic Sea it should be a bit warmer than this, I assume, but I'm not really sure at this point. Look at that, look at the magical beauty we have here. Isn't it amazing? And I have all this beauty just for myself on this 25th of October. Marvelous indeed. It's a blessing to be living in Stockholm and to have so proximity to the Baltic Sea and to thousands of beautiful lakes around the whole region. Maybe not thousands, but hundreds. It should be somewhere around 500, I believe so. I need to double check. Or more. Okay, so Erstaviksbadet Baltic Sea adventure on 25th of October. Let's then go in and enjoy to the maximum. That was so nice and so refreshing. I just can't believe I am taking a dip here in the Baltic Sea on 25th of October. This is insane. Look at that beautiful piece of nature. I was so close not to come here and to go to a nearby lake instead, but then I saw the sun up and I was like, yes, we are taking a swim in the sea today, the Baltic Sea. So yes, let's dive in once again before we wrap up, because I need to take some kind of good underwater shot for the cover, maybe. Let's see. Oh my god, this is freezing. That was a bad idea. I got a brain freeze. I shouldn't stay for that much long in the water. And it's actually colder the deeper you go. So anyway, that's a wrap from Erstaviksbadet, Erstaviksbadet beach in this beautiful nature reserve of Erstavik in Nacka municipality, Stockholm region. It's so lovely with the sun that you close your eyes that you can feel like it's almost summer. We continue with the beach adventures. I'm so close now to 200 beach days. You can also become a member of this channel and get some nice perks for that, like including early access to videos like this one, and some other few nice perks if you want to. That's optional only. Otherwise, you can subscribe and like and share this video. So thanks so much for watching this video with me, and see you soon again from another fantastic beach location from Stockholm, Sweden, on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.